baby. Hang on. Way to go, guys.
A state known for horsepower. We're about to fire the engines up and see some real horsepower here at Kentucky Speedway.
267 laps, the 80 is your first segment. A little different than we've had the last 2 nights. Have fun.
All right, boys, keep me straight. Just getting some points.
We're racing in Kentucky. Kyle Larson was supposed to start 18th. Right now he's running 23rd after starting at the back because of missing driver introductions.
Well, it won't be much of a difference here with everybody laying back. We're almost back where we were.
A little contact here down the back straightaway, and that cuts the left rear tire.
Got smoke coming out the back. Must have a tire rip or something right here. Yeah, the one door slamming.
It's the right side. The 17 turned into me on the back stretch.
It's going all the way down. Brake pedals all the way down. I have not used them extensively. Yeah, no brakes.
What cars will be lined up to your right? Chuck will be clear exiting now. Too fast exiting. Too fast exiting.
The 2 gets a speeding penalty coming off of pit road.
I don't know how. I wasn't even close.
It'll be Martin Truex Jr. He'll take stage number 1 here at Kentucky Speedway.
For the 4th time this year, stage winner, MTJ. Come on. Ready? Ready. Green.
Gonna blow up, I bet. Turns up, snap. Now I've got this a giant vibration.
I mean, all we can really do is see how long it lasts here. That's about all we can do at this point, you know?
Alex Bowman in the 88, right front, tons of damage.
The right sides are both down. I can see it now.
Sparks here. Be ready, guys. For right front, hang on. We're in it right side, guys. Coach, just take it to the garage if you can. We'll push it to the truck.
Martin Truex Jr. 2 for 2. He wins both stages tonight.
Back to racing. The Quaker State 400.
Kyle Busch, I believe, got loose. Oh, look at Boyer!
Way up the racetrack goes to 14.
Did I get hit at both ends of the racetrack? Yeah, it was close. I don't think I did not.
18's driving in so hard he's on the splitter or something. Then he drove in on the door about wrecked it. Hell to stay there, dog. Looks like we're 5 miles an hour faster than him.
Give him the bumper.
Give him something.
My track bar is doing the same thing it did to Jamie, I think. It's reading -5. Just don't move it. The more you move it, the more it may go down.
Inside 48. He gets ass down here.
Johnson, he gets sideways into Boyer.
Did he have to be such a what the I gave him plenty of room.
Defending champion Martin Truex Jr. caps off a dominating performance tonight by going back-to-back here at Kentucky Speedway and winning the Quaker State 400.
Oh, he is Kentucky, baby. Come on. Woo! Good job, brother. Good job, guys.